This video is about how to add tags to photos and videos inside of StoryBook. We're also going to discuss how to go about reading the existing tags that are on photos or videos, as well as how to remove the tags. Let's go ahead and get started. Right now, we are located inside of the unassigned media area of a project. While working inside of the unassigned media area, you will not be able to assign tags, and any photos or videos that you have already tagged that you move back into the unassigned media area will immediately lose their tags. So let's go ahead and go inside of a room, and you'll see that on the right-hand side, a tag list has appeared. StoryBook ships with a number of different tag lists already built into it, but we're going to just work inside of the general tag list right now. Let's go ahead and tag this first picture so that you can see how the process works. Let's click on the picture, and you'll see that there is a number 1 at the top, which signifies that you have selected the image. And then let's go over here to the tag list, and let's select a tag. Let's go ahead and double click on it, and then you're going to see that another number 1 in yellow has appeared at the top left-hand corner of the image that we just tagged. What that yellow block indicates is that one tag has been added. You can also click on that yellow block and read the tag. Let's go ahead and do that. You'll see that it says the carpeting was in contact with gray or black category water and should be replaced. Now, if you're not familiar with the tags that are built into StoryBook, you may wonder, how will you ever know what these tags actually say unless you apply them? And the answer to that is at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. This is where the tag long description is shown to the users. So let's go ahead and click Tile Debonded, and then you can read at the bottom that it says a portion of the tile floor has debonded from the thinset due to a water leak. Now let's go ahead and apply the tags to multiple photos. So we're going to go ahead and click on the second photo, and we're going to use our Shift key, and we're going to hold down our Shift key, and then we're going to press on the fifth photo, and you're going to see how it highlighted the entire range. Now we're going to go ahead and click on another tag, and you'll see that it added that tag to all 4 photos simultaneously. Now we're going to click on another tag, and another tag, and another tag, and you'll see that it's added up all of those tags on each one of these 4 photos. Now let's go ahead and click on one of the photos to see what the tags say. We can then choose to go ahead and remove one of the tags, if we like, and close the dialog. Now you'll see that the photo that we had just removed the tag from only displays that it contains 3 tags, whereas the other photos all still have 4. Now, if you wanted to remove all the tags in all of the photos in that room, then you could just come up to Select Media, hit Select All, and go to Media Options, and then select Remove Tags. And you'll see that all the tags have been removed. Adding tags to videos is exactly the same as it is for adding tags to pictures. I just selected the video and 3 additional images, and you can see now that I can click on tags, and it will go ahead and add tags to the video just like it did the images. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the search functionality for the tag lists. Let's go ahead and type in the word water. And you'll see that instantly you're only seeing tags that contain the word water. Now let's go ahead and go into another tag list that just says interior, and let's type in the word roof. Now you'll see that we actually do come up with a lot of tags that contain the word roof inside of the interior. Now let's go ahead and go inside of the report and see what these tags look like underneath the pictures. This first photo only had 1 tag. This photo had 2 tags. This photo had 3 tags. And you'll see that it reads much more like a paragraph now, as it adds 2 spaces and then the next tag, and 2 spaces and then the third tag. This last photo had 4 tags. And so you can see how it does truly look like a paragraph now. And although it is really beyond the scope of this video, this is the damage summary where it is going to show the actual tags that were present inside of this room, living room. Now you know that there were quite a few more tags pasted to those pictures than just these 7. However, we've deleted any and all duplicate tags. And so in the damage summary for living room, it's showing all of the tags that were applied to the photos and the videos with duplicates deleted. This saves the reader from having to go through all the pictures and read all of the tags just to find out what is going on inside of the living room. We're now back inside of the project, and I wanted to also point out that it's beyond the scope of this video to talk about how to add new tags or edit tags or delete tags or create entire tag lists. We're going to be talking about that in another video. And that is about all there is to know about applying tags, viewing the tags, and removing the tags on photos and videos inside of StoryBook.